Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So, go choose timeline. It will suit your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. So as you see here, today, after today news we came. By the way, if you are not in my Telegram channel, you can join us. We've been discussing about that all the day. After the Fed meeting, today the inflation, it came very good. Actually, it fell down to 5%. That's something very good. But the Fed meeting, they say something which is make the market scared a little bit. Even if you are a stock trader, you're going to see the stock market today is slightly close right today. So here in the Bitcoin, in the daily, what the Bitcoin is telling us here, if you look in here and we zoom in here together here, what you see, we got a new inside bar. As you see it, that green candle here, that one. We got now an inside bar very clear. As you see that the green candle here. And that one also being followed. If you remember before, we used to have one here. When it's getting broke, we went up till here where we are. Now the same concept here. We are going to wait the break to happen up. We're going to enter long. If it happened down, we're going to enter short. And me personally, I think there is a correction going to come, guys. Been telling you that, and me, I'm still believing there is a correction going to come. Let me show you why I'm still believing there is a correction going to come. I'm still believing there is a correction going to come because of that. Look with me here, what we got here, and look here, what we got here. That's in the daily, guys. You see it very clear divergence here. If you came down here, that one here, and up here, we got a very clear divergence here. Very, very clear. So till now, that way me, I'm still believing there is a correction going to come. And also we're still waiting that correction is going to come and we're going to enter long again. Because if you remember what me I told you before, we do it like that. We came down here and we're drawing down here a trend line like that, and we came from here and we're drawing a up channel like that. As you see it, that up channel, yes, over here we're showing as if we're going to break it here, but today candle it's showing to us it's going back inside. So if we go back inside here, that means we are going to fall down till here, till 22 or 21,500. So till now, that's what it's showing. And me, I tell you, the Bitcoin is going to go till 31,500. Then after that, it's going to make that correction. So till now, that's my view personally to it. So for the people they haven't entered, it's going to happen that correction. Try to enter from it from here. People they missing the entry from down here and here. When it's happening that correction, try to enter from it. That's the only thing I can tell you guys. Everything is too clear. Plus here, as you see it, look with me. Over here, that the 50 moving average, and over here, that the 200 moving average. So either we're going to fall down to the 50 moving average, then after that we're going to go higher, or another scenario, we're going to fall down to the 200 moving average here. Then after that, we're going to go more higher. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the coming news or news we came today. So let's go in there. Here we are. Before we analyze in here, let me show you something very important here. That one here is very, very, very important and knows about stock market. And that article I put it in my Telegram channel. If you are not subscriber there, go there. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Go and join us. That article here is talking why we saw today the market is slightly red because of one thing here. Very important thing here about the Fed meeting. Today, the members of Federal Reserve, they want to go back, increasing interest rate by 0.25 because them they stopping for the banking system or the banking sectors. Now the banking is slow now and they showing as if the banking system now it's stable now. So them they are going to go back to increase interest rate by 0.25. So that one it's something a little bit scary because as you see it, they want to hike interest rate in May by 0.25. That's something not good to the market. So that's why me I told you it's still a little bit early. But for the Bitcoin, just they say and forget about everything. Let me show you the coming news for today. As you see today here, the CPI, it fell down to 5%. That's something very good, but the Fed, they wanted to reach to 2%. That the problem of them. And as you see here, the Fed meeting that when them they discussed and they voted, they said they are going to increase interest rate by 0.25 or 25 points. That how they call it. So for today, let's see it what is coming today. For today, as you see it, what we got retail sales of USA is going to come at 12:30 GMT time. Even that one you need to be careful about it, guys. Even that one you need to be careful about it. So be careful. And here is our friend, the table of us as we follow every day. As you see it, even that one. Look at it here. All US stocks today, the closing the day red. As you see them, because in the Fed minute meeting, because inflation today, it can very good, but the Fed members, what they said, it's not good to the market. That way you see the market, everything is closed red. And here, look at the VIX. And in the coming days, it's going to go more than 20 because what the Fed's saying. So as you see it here, it's 19.09. That's something very good, but US dollar it started going up a little bit. But me, I'm thinking the US dollar is going to fall down because the geopolitical and what China and Russia they doing and that breaks what they doing against US dollar. That's something very, very, very bad to US economic. Let's make it like that in general. And the key point now here is Saudi Arabia. If Saudi, they leave USA and they join China, is going to make a big difference here to US dollar. So till now we're still waiting what's going to happen because geopolitical is got a big impact to the market. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, the last video what me I told you. We came here and we do it like that, and we came here to the top of those ones and we do it like that. And I told you we got here a very clear wage here. Look at it, very clear. We touch the lower of it here. Now that one either is going to fall down to touch here, then after that it will go in upward, or it's going to fall down to break down here and it's going to fall down more. So you as a swing trader now, because for us we enter long from here, now we're still waiting the target to reach to it at 31,500. And me in the last video when we are here, I told you guys try to protect yourself because it came there very, very clear candles here and those pin bars here. Even if we zoom it, let's zoom it together to see what the candles they came there. So as you see them, those candles here, as you see that candle here, that one is a very clear pin bar. That one is an indecision candle. It came in the time of news. So now it's showing here as if the market is going to fall down, but it's not yet. Me, I'm still believing it's not yet. It's going to go to that 31,500. And after that, it's going to fall down. So for us, now for people, they haven't entered with us. We got here a very clear price action here. That wage here. You waiting if it's breaking down here, you enter short. If it's breaking above here, you go with it long. For people, they enter with us from that candle here. You still in a level where you called protect yourself that man close a little bit, move the stop loss to the break even or move it a little bit just to here to that level here. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, if you remember yesterday what I told you here at that when we are here at that level, I told you guys no one buying from at that level here, and don't be the dumb money. Always try to be smart money. And look at it now. It came out from the overbought area here. That man here. That one is going to fall down, but it's going to fall down just to touch here the trend line here. Then after that maybe it's going to go up. So till now you need to wait in till it fall down here to that level here for you to buy. But the good news here, also we still in a bull market. There is no bears now, only the bulls they controlling that market, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, we've been here at the overbought area for some time here. And if you remember, people they been with us, they remember we used to have here a divergence. And me, I told you don't need to follow indicators. You need to follow price action here. Price action we used to have here is that channel here, that one here. When it's getting broke here, as we enter long, look where we are now. I told you in yesterday video, try to protect yourself. Here, exactly at that level here, I told you try to protect yourself. Now here, I show you got here a price action or a new price action here. Look at it, very clear. wage here. Now that one you need to follow it. If it's breaking down here, you enter short. If it's breaking above here, you enter long. So technically, because that one here is it at the overbought area, we need to looking for short. But if it's breaking above here in that level here, enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. In the last video, we came here and we do it like that. How we done it. And we came here and we do it like that. We said we got here a very clear megaphone. That megaphone, as you see it, it's getting broke down here in that level here. So technically now you need to be entering short. Top loose, you can put it here in the top of those ones or those ones. Yes, now it go back inside that megaphone and now it give you here another megaphone, very clear megaphone here. Look at it. So even that one you can follow it here when it's getting broke here. That for the people they haven't entered from that candle here, which is broken the old megaphone we used to have, because the old megaphone we used to have it like that, as you see it, and the top of it like that is getting broke here at that level here. So over here you need to enter short to put stop loss here or here, depending on your money management and how much capital you risking per trade. Take profit for that one. Where it's going to be, you came here, you doing a line like that or a vertical line and you do it like that. It's going to fall down till here to that level here of 29, as you see it. That the take profit of you if you enter short. Let's see our indicators, what they saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it, it's been here at the overbought area for some time now. Now it's going to the oversold area. It's very close to enter the oversold area. So people, they enter from that level here, that one here. Try to protect yourself. Try to protect yourself now. And another thing, let me show it to you. That one here, if you remember yesterday what I told you here, I told you we got here a divergence like that. And we make it like that. That's what I told you yesterday. But look at that divergence trend line here, that one here. If you came here and you're drawing that trend line here of the divergence, till now it's still respected. And over here that indicator is enter here to the oversold area or the level where the bears they controlling. So it's showing it's going to fall down more till the oversold area. Then over there try to protect yourself, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.